My name is Vlad Semeryanov. I'm the owner of Advanced Maintenance Company. We work in Washington State, Clark County. When we first started in 2004, I purchased a pressure washer from a local big box store. It was a good machine, but it was not enough for me to do this every day. At that time, we decided to look for pressure washer suppliers, and we located Landa Northwest, purchased a machine from them. Our fleet consists of 2 PGs. Then we have a portable electric power washer and a big machine that is on a trailer. They're all Landa units and they run great and saves us time, saves us anti-fatigue stuff. It's great. We also have 3 of the water jets, which is a surface cleaner machine. It's great for washing large surface concrete and pavers and decks and things like that. It's definitely a great investment for sure. Really love these machines. Yeah, would not buy anything else.